Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I would like to share with you how we wired our hot tub and gazebo, as well as added some useful products for comfort and relaxing. I will have all materials, products, and tools used linked down below. If you are interested in seeing how I built this deck or installed this gazebo, I will have those related videos also linked down below. The main purpose for this deck was for this 8x8 hot tub and also entertaining. We went with a local company that makes their spas right here in East Tennessee called Dynasty Spas. We've been so happy with our 6-person hot tub from them, and it's already gotten so much use. For wiring the hot tub, make sure to check local building codes for conduit trenches and adhere to the National Electrical Code and have an electrician inspect your work. First, we shut off all power to our home's main breaker box, which be sure your home can handle the additional load demand. National Code requires hardwiring the spa into a ground fault circuit interrupter, a GFCI, protected 220 to 240 volt, 50 or 60 amp dedicated circuit. Then my husband ran wire from the breaker box to outside the garage wall. We use number 6 THHN, THWN, 2 stranded copper building wire, 2 hot red and black, 1 neutral white, and 1 ground green. Always be sure to leave some slack in the wire. While he handled the wiring, I trenched from the breaker box to where the spa panel or manual disconnect will be. Be sure to call 811 before digging. I then used fish tape to pull the wire through the laid 1-inch PVC conduit. From the spa panel to the spa, we use flexible non-metallic liquid-tight conduit. Wire spa control panel by following the manufacturer's instructions on the spa, and then wire your spa panel and breaker panel. Be sure to have all your work inspected. We also opted to have 2 outlets installed in the gazebo for ease. The wiring uses 3 number 12 stranded copper THHN wire in black, white, and green. We already had a GFCI outlet over here, so this made adding additional outlets easier. All conduit and fittings were spray painted with hammered brown to match the gazebo. Even though this gazebo is situated in the shady area, a must-have is this outdoor ceiling fan. This is a 20-inch wet-rated gazebo fan with a light and remote. It also comes in 24-inch, and if I had to do it over, I would probably pay the extra money and get the bigger fan. But it does work really well and feels amazing. But to have that extra airflow footprint would be nice. I really love how stylish this outdoor fan is, and it's a simple hookup and plug-in with a 15-foot cord. The remote is very straightforward with 3 lighting options, 6 quiet speeds, and timer functions. There is also an included 5-year warranty. On the perimeter of the gazebo, I hung some outdoor LED string lights with shatterproof Edison bulbs. Out of all the outdoor lights on the market, I went with these patio lights because they are smart lights and can be controlled on an app when connected to Wi-Fi, and is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control the brightness and dim the lights to your liking, schedule the lights on a timer, and also have a custom twinkle. The lights are being held up by some adhesive cable clips, which are very handy. Plugged into one of the outlets is an outdoor waterproof surge protector, being held by an outdoor weatherproof Velcro, very heavy duty. I know not everyone agrees with having a TV outdoors, but we are big football fans and love watching games or having family movie night while in the hot tub and hanging out. This is just a 65-inch TV that was replaced by a new TV in our living room. The TV has a weatherproof cover that does a good job protecting it from the elements. The TV is mounted with a ceiling mount bracket. It has an adjustable height, 360-degree rotation, tilts, and swivels. The rivet toolkit we used to hang this mount will be linked below. Sometimes the hot tub jets can be loud. So in order to get detailed sound, we added the Sonos outdoor set, which includes 2 outdoor speakers by Sonos and the Sonos Amp. This was a game changer for the space. The sound is incredible for surround sound and playing music. I think the hot tub and these speakers are my favorite additions to the space. I love coming out here to listen to music while I relax. The speakers are being held up by custom L brackets that my husband had to weld together. The speaker wire cable is 16 gauge and just being held by the adhesive cable clips. They come in 2 sizes, and the larger size can hold 2 16 gauge wires. The speaker wire connects to the Sonos Amp, which is hidden under this chair. The amp isn't outdoor rated, so for protection, I'm using a weatherproof fan-cooled enclosure. So not only is the amp safe from any moisture, but if the internal temperatures reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the fan kicks on and then shuts off at 79 degrees. The amp connects to the TV with a HDMI eARC cable. To keep a flashlight and our remote safe, I opted to get a waterproof phone box that's typically used on a boat. Next to the hot tub, I have a freestanding towel rack. The base is black marble and sturdy enough to hold heavy robes and multiple towels. This furniture I bought a few years ago and had on my back deck. The furniture is TK Classics Kathy Ireland Riverbrook 10-piece outdoor wicker patio set 10B. The outdoor area rug is 7 by 10 feet. For quick maintenance, instead of lugging out a large shop vac, I opted to get this cordless handheld DeWalt 20-volt vacuum. It works really well and is very convenient because we already have DeWalt batteries on hand from our other tools. It comes with a bag of accessories, and my favorite are the flexible hose with a round brush and the extension tube used with a floor nozzle, good for both carpet and bare floor. I absolutely love how this space turned out, and we've been using it every single day. Again, I will have all products, materials, and tools used linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.